Say good morning. Happy Friday.
Good morning. Happy birthday.
Good morning. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Good job. Should we go say hi to Adam?
Yeah.
All right, let's go say hi to Adam. Here's Adam. Good morning, Adam. Happy Friday. Adam is 2 months old today. Today is Adam's 2nd month birthday.
Yeah.
2 month birthday. We gotta sing happy birthday to Adam. What are you doing, Michael?
Putting the plants inside. Put the plants inside the box so Adam hold mommy.
Oh, okay. You're putting the crayons inside the box?
And Michael hold it.
Oh, okay. Good job. Hey, should we show them your bunny? Where's your bunny?
It's gone already.
It's gone. Look at. Here's Adam. He's so big and so active. He just woke up, huh, Michael? He was crying?
Yeah.
Yeah, did we change his diaper?
Yeah.
What was in his diaper?
Poopy.
Poopy diaper? Poop and pee-pee? There's only pee-pee. Look at those munchkin. Look at those big old chipmunk cheeks. So I haven't gotten much done in the last week or so. So I have a lot of things to do. I have laundry. I have cloth diapers to wash. I have a lot of stuff that needs to get done. God bless you, Michael. I have a lot of things that need to get done. And today is supposed to be grocery shopping, but I don't think I can go right now. So I think I might have to go when Michael gets home from work later in the evening. Hopefully they're both taking a nap. It's 9 o'clock. I got up I think at 7. Me and Michael had breakfast. I pumped. I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, put the dishes away. Now I think Adam's getting hungry, so I need to breastfeed Adam for a little bit. Okay, so Adam is fed and in the papoose. Hopefully he'll take a nap. And then I have to do some cleaning. I have to do some laundry, vacuum. I have my helper here. Here's my helper. You gonna help me vacuum? All right, let's go. Michael, where are you? You in the bathroom?
Yeah.
What are you? Oh my gosh. No. Give me this. What are you doing? This is for Adam's booty. Come on. Where did you get this from?
In the bedroom.
Okay, here. Go put it back. We can't use this for Adam's booty anymore. Ay. Okay, go put it back. Okay, no. Ah! Oh my gosh. Almost a whole roll of liners goes to the trash now. What are you doing?
Hiding.
Yeah, I see you're hiding. So Michael has been obsessed with these little mandarins. My dad gave him some a long time ago. and he's been saying, oh, mandarins from Tata's tree, but I got these at the store. But he is loving them. He eats like 2 or 3 of them a day if he could. You like those, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, huh? Alright, here is some lunch. Some leftovers from yesterday's dinner. Got some beans with turkey, with meat, cheese, tomato, tortilla chips. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put your bib on. Welcome back to our channel. So today it's Saturday and we are heading over to a drive-in. We will see how that goes because we have a 2.5-year-old who doesn't sit still at all, and we have a 2-month-old baby who Michael wants me to tell you guys hi everybody. And we also have a 2-month-old who is 2 months old, and you know, I don't know how he's gonna do at the movie, so we'll see. We're gonna go watch Endgame. We've been wanting to watch it since it came out. My husband at least is a huge like Marvel fan, and I like the movies. I enjoy watching them, and we were waiting on Endgame, and we just couldn't do it with the 2 kids. We didn't have babysitters, and I just don't feel comfortable yet leaving Adam, our little one, with just anybody just yet. Maybe in another month or so, but not yet, and especially because he's breastfed. Anyways, I'm like rambling now. Yeah. So we're heading over to a drive-in, but first we're gonna make a stop at Target because first of all I need to buy breast milk bags, like the pumping freezer bags. And then we also need to get a couple of snacks. We would normally get our snacks at Dollar Tree because they're way cheaper, but I don't want to make tons of stops with 2 kids. It's just easier to get it done at one place. And then we're gonna head over to the drive-in, buy some dinner, get into the drive-in. The movie doesn't start till 8. It's only 5:40 right now, but they told us to get there at least an hour early because it's probably gonna be super packed. So we might not even be able to watch a movie today, but we will see. Hopefully we are. But yes, we're gonna make a stop at Target and then head on over. Alright, so here are our snacks. We got some veggie chips, we got some hot Cheetos, peanut butter M&Ms, some water. I got my bags down there. There's Adam. Ready to go, Adam? Ready? Let's go.
Alright, we are in the line for the drive-in. Apparently, we are really early. It is what, 6:45? The movie doesn't start till 8. I don't even think the employees have started working. We're in line already. We're not the only ones though. We have, what, 7 people ahead of us? 7 cars? And Blanca's in the back, taking care of the baby. He screaming his mind out. Yes. And then there's Michael over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Yeah. So we're excited to see Endgame. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. Bye.
Are you ready for your movie, Michael? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So here's our little drive-in setup. We thought we had more room than we actually do. Brought tons of pillows, tons of blankets. We just grabbed some dinner, toys for Michael. Here's Daddy Michael.
I think the best bet is to close this up and open up the window.
Yeah, maybe later when it gets a little windier.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are excited. It's gonna be a fun night. We'll see how they do. Adam's already been crying like almost the whole way over here.
It's different. It's different. It's because like he's tired. It's almost past their bedtimes.
Oh, yeah.
So you know.
And when Michael didn't take a nap today.
Yeah. He looks tired.
So we'll see how they do. I'm excited to see this movie, so I'm hoping they'll let us see it.
Yeah, totally. All right, climb in there with your baby.
Yeah, but so far, like I said, we got all of this. We got some snacks that you guys saw at Target. Adam is right there. Hi, Adam. Hi, Adam. Hi.
Michael, what's going on? Come here. Michael, I am here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Listen, boy, listen. You need to behave for this movie. I'm so excited for this movie. You need to behave, okay? You better behave. Or I'm gonna poke you. I'm gonna do these. You better behave, okay? You got it? deal?
Uh-oh, Michael. Maybe this is a bad idea.
We'll see.
Good morning. So it's Sunday now. How was it driving yesterday, Michael?
It was, you know what? It was hard, but I think it was fun. I want to do it again.
Yeah, he was really wild and crazy, like during the previews, of course. But once the movie started, he kind of like, Michael says hi everybody. And then once the movie started, he cooled down a little bit. He was still a little bit on the wild side, but he calmed down a lot. And then he ended up falling asleep like the last, what, like 30, 45 minutes of the movie. So that was nice. We really liked it. If you guys have not seen it, I suggest you guys go see it. If you guys are into the Marvel movies, it was really good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah.
It was good. For what we saw.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's Sunday now. We're gonna go have some breakfast at IHOP. We have not had IHOP in like over 2 years. And when it was just me and Michael before kids, we would go every single Sunday to IHOP. Like even the servers like knew us, huh Michael? And we have not been here in over 2 years. And this morning we all woke up super late. Like super late. We're normally up like around 8 o'clock, and today it was like 9:30 and Michael was just waking up, and yeah. So we're heading over to IHOP. It's almost 11 o'clock, so we're gonna have some good, I guess, brunch, breakfast, lunch. Show you guys really quick what we got. We didn't get too much stuff because we're gonna go back again this weekend. Hi everybody. What were you just doing? What did you do?
Play toys.
You play with your toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what mess did you make for Mama right now?
Make a mess.
You did make a mess and Mama had to clean it up, huh? What did you do? What did you spill?
Spill water everywhere.
No, you spilled coffee everywhere.
The coffee everywhere.
I just realized that today is Sunday and it's Game of Thrones day. Do you guys watch Game of Thrones? Michael and I have watched Game of Thrones since season 2. We've watched all of them, but we started at season 2 and we're obsessed. Anyway, so let me show you guys really quick what we got at Costco today. The reason we went was because I was running out of milk for Michael, so I went to buy him some more milk. And then I also went and just bought our regular groceries for the week because I just did not want to go to the store. So we got some potatoes. Yeah, we're gonna go on a walk later. Oh my god, my house is a mess. This is everything that was in the car in my back seat. And because we went to the drive-in yesterday, Michael had to take it all out. And then I got some broccoli. This is nice because it's already cut up and everything for me, so that's really nice. I got some bananas, some cuties, a box of tomatoes. Hey, 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 hey! No! You don't do that, Michael Anthony. No. Sit down and take off your shoes. And then the last thing I got, I just picked up a rotisserie chicken just to probably have for dinner tonight or maybe for some lunch tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. So I am going to go to Costco again this weekend coming up for our monthly grocery haul. But because we were already going today, I figured I'd just buy our groceries today. Especially because, what happened? You got hurt? Where? Show me.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sana, sana, colita de rana. Si no te sanas hoy, te sanarás mañana. Better? Okay. Anyways, I don't know where you guys live, but we have like a measles outbreak in LA right now, or like the surrounding area. And so I'm trying to like prevent going out as much as I can, especially with Adam, who's not fully vaccinated yet. Michael, I'm not so worried about because he is vaccinated, but still he can, you know, carry it or get something. But I'm really worried about Adam, so I'm trying not to go out. So if I can do everything in one store, that's what I'm gonna do.
Hey, buddy. Say I love you, Mama. Say it loud.
I love you, Mama.
We love you too, Mama. Say I love you, Mama. Say I love you, Mama. Give a coo. Go coo. Coo. What are you looking at?